Welcome. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by tagged notifications on Facebook, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you how to turn off notifications for tags with a quick practical walkthrough that's updated and straightforward. First, grab your phone and open the Facebook app. You'll start on your home feed, where you can manage settings that control when and how you're alerted. To begin the process, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This opens the menu that houses all of Facebook's features and options. From there, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap that, then select Settings. You're narrowing down to the controls that govern your account behavior, and this is where the magic happens for tag notifications. In Settings, look for Notifications and tap it. This page is your control center for all alerts, including comments, tags, reminders, and more. Now, on the notification screen, locate the comment section. This is where Facebook manages notifications related to comments and mentions, including the occasions you're tagged. Tap Comments to dive into the specific settings for that category. Here you'll find the options that decide how you're notified when you're tagged in a post or comment. Within the comment settings, you'll see three toggles labeled Push, Email, and SMS. To stop receiving push notifications on your device, switch off the Push option. If you want to reduce other forms of alerts, toggle off email and SMS as well. By turning these off, you maintain control over your online experience without missing important updates from people who matter, while eliminating the tag-specific buzz that can feel overwhelming. Remember, these steps are designed to help you customize your notification flow without disconnecting from the platform entirely. If you ever want to re-enable notifications for tags, simply reverse the toggles in the same menu.